Good morning children, welcome to the GK session. Take your GK reader and follow me. Take page number 7 in your GK reader. See, now we are going to see about plants and animals. So, wildlife quiz. See, wild animals and birds are most comfortable in their own homes or habitats. Forests, jungles, oceans, caves and trees. That is where we should leave them. Identify these creatures that look so relaxed in their natural homes. See the name of the first bird. What is the name of that bird? It is called as bulbul. B-U-L, bulbul. See the second bird. What is the name of that bird? It is called as heron. H-E-R-O-N, heron. See the third one. What is the name of the kind of fish? Piranha. P-I-R-A-N-H-A, piranha. See the fourth one. What is the name of that animal? Gar. G-A-U-R, gar. G-A-U-R, gar. See the fifth one. What is the name of that animal? Beaver. B-E-A-V-E-R, beaver. B-E-A-V-E-R, beaver. See the sixth one. The name of the animal is nilgai. N-I-L-G-A-I, nilgai. See the seventh one. It is called as badger. B-A-D-G-E-R, badger. So these animals, they would like to live only in forests. That's why that is the place, that the living place of these kind of animals or birds is called as habitats. The place where they live is called as habitat. So in that places only these animals like to live. So you can take and write the spellings from these boxes. Okay children, now let's move on to the next page. Page number 8. See, life in the ocean. We are going to see about plants and animals. Okay, life in the ocean. A is name these creatures found in water bodies. See the first one. What is the name of this creature? Usually you used to go to the beach, means you can play with this kind of creature also, no? It will be running here and there. What is the name of that? It is a crab. See, it lives in and by the sea, walks and swims sideways and can carry its own house. And the name of it is crab. C-R-A-B, crab. See the second one. A dangerous hunter in the sea. It has deadly teeth and huge jaws. See the name of the second picture. A dangerous hunter in the sea has deadly teeth and huge jaws. So in some films also, these kind of fishes will come and bite all the human beings and all, like that pictures also you used to see, no children. So the name of that second picture is shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. See the third one. Although it lives under the sea, it is a mammal, needs air to breathe and feeds its baby milk. So the name of the third one is whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Okay, now move on to the B. Unscramble the letters and name these creatures. See the first one. What is it? Can you find out, children? If you cook and eat, it will be very tasty. What is that? Prawns. P-R-A-W-N-S, prawns. Okay, second one. What is the name of the second picture? It is called as jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. F-I-S-H, fish, jellyfish. See the third one. What is this? It is a seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S. Seahorse. Okay. Let's move on to the next page. Page number 9. It is about language and literature. Word games. We are going to play word games. See option A. The answer to sentence B in each question is formed by adding a letter or letters to answer A. See, for example, a male animal is called bull. B-U-L-L, bull. So, in order to find option B, see what is the B option? A small metal object fired from a gun. Is called bullet. So how you can find the answer as bullet? So if you add ET with this bull, you can find the answer as bullet. So like that you have to add any letter or letters to option A so that you can find option B. Okay children, so let's do it. See the first one. A young goat is called kid. See the B option. To take a person away by force. To take a person away by force is called as kidnap. Is called as kidnap. So what is the spelling of kidnap? You have to add N-A-P with kid so that you can get the answer kidnap. K-I-D-N-A-P, kidnap. Okay. Now see the second one. A place where ships can take shelter is called as port. A place where ships can take shelter is called as port. See the B option. A part or a share. A part or a share is called as portion. P-O-R-T-I-O-N, portion. A part or a share is called as portion. So if you add I-O-N with option A, you will get the answer as portion. P-O-R-T-I-O-N, portion. Okay. See the third one. An insect is called as bug. An insect is called as bug. Option B is a musical instrument that is blown. A musical instrument that is blown is called as bugle. See, this instrument is called as bugle. B-U-G-L-E, bugle. See the fourth option. The price of anything is called as cost. The price of anything is called as cost. See the option B. Special clothes. Special clothes is called as costumes. Okay, you have to add UMAS with option A so that you can get the answer as costumes. COSTUMES, costumes. Okay, children. Now let's move on to option B. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. See the first one. We buy things with it. We buy things with it is called as money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. See option B. A mischievous animal. A mischievous animal is called as monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Option C is a man who lives in a monastery is called as monk. A man who lives in a monastery is called as monk. M-O-N-K. See, only few letters are changed in this answers. Okay, see the second one. What we do in a temple, mosque or church, we used to pray. P-R-A-Y, pray. See option B. To dance about. To dance about is called as prance. P-R-A-N-C-E, prance. See the C, option C. Repeated training is called as practice. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E, practice. So in all these words, the first part of all the words are same. The first parts of all the words are same. Only few last letters are different. Okay. See the third one. See the third one. Arrows are shot at it. Arrows are shot at it is called as target. T-A-R-G-E-T, target. Option B. A deadly spider. Deadly spider. See, you can see the picture here is called as tarantula. It is called as tarantula. T-A-R-A-N-T-U-L-A, tarantula. See the option C. Waterproof covering. Waterproof covering is called as tarpaulin. Waterproof covering is called as tarpaulin. T-A-R-P-A-U-L-I-N, tarpaulin. Now move on to the next page, children. Page number 10. It is about the environment, world and its people. It is about the environment, world and its people. Landmark quiz. Landmark quiz. See the heading. Name these famous landmarks. Write the correct letter in each box. See the first picture. What is the name of that picture? What landmark is this? You can find these places. You have been studied these places in history and all, I think so. So what is the name of the picture? Yes, it is Sanchi Stupa. Option C. Sanchi Stupa. It is in Madhya Pradesh, India. It is in Madhya Pradesh, India. See the second picture. What landmark it is? It is option D. Golden Gate Bridge. Option D. Golden Gate Bridge. It is in San Francisco, USA. So you can put option D for this, and for the first one you can put option C. See the third one. What picture is that? What landmark is that? It is option F. Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey. It is in London, UK. It is in London, UK. So you can put F in the third one. See the fourth landmark. What landmark it is? It is option B. Arc de Triomphe. Option B. Arc de Triomphe. It is in Paris, France. It is in Paris, France. Okay. So you can put B for this fourth one. Now see the fifth one. What landmark is it? It is option A. Colosseum. It is option A. Colosseum. It is in Rome, Italy. It is in Rome, Italy. See the sixth one. It is Stonehenge. It is Stonehenge. It is in Wiltshire, UK. It is in Wiltshire, United Kingdom. So you can put option E for this, and you can put option A for the fifth one and E for the sixth one. Let's move on to the next page, children. Page number 11. Page number 11. It is about the environment, world and its people. It is about the environment, world and its people. Tribes of the world. Tribes of the world. There are thousands of tribes in the world. Each tribe has its own language, customs, dress and eating habits. We should respect them and not disturb them. Name the countries where you will see the most members of these tribes. Tribes means these kind of people lives in forest and mountain areas. Okay, so first type of people, Maasai. So these kind of people we can find in Kenya, Kenya, Kenya. See the second one, these kind of people are called as Jarawa, and they are found in India, 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 our country. See the third type of people, they are called as Maoris, and they are found in New Zealand. NEWZEALAND, New Zealand. And the fourth type of people are called as Aborigines. They are found in Australia. AUSTRALIA, Australia. Now take page number 12, children. In this page we are going to see science and as science today. Option A is complete these words. See the first one, a computer controlled object that does many of the jobs which humans can do is called a robot. A computer controlled object that does many of the jobs which humans can do is called as robot. Nowadays robots are used in many industries. Okay, second one, when we use a gadget or a machine that does not need to have a wire connecting it to anything, we say it is wireless. See in the online classes also you used to use some headphones, no? So you no need to connect your headphones with your cell phone. It is used in Bluetooth. So your cell phones also you can use without wire. So these kind of things is called as wireless. Okay, children. Now move on to the third one. When a program or an event is shown or played for people who are far away to view or listen to it, we say it is being broadcast. Okay, when a program or an event is shown or played for people who are far away to view. See, for example, you can see many programs in your cell phones, but it takes place in some other far away countries. We no need to go to that country and view. So that type of programs which we can see wherever we live is called as broadcast. Okay, broadcast. Okay, now move on to the fourth one, films that have characters and things that look real but are not. See in the movies and all, you can see some pictures which are not real. For example, in the cartoons also, they are not at all real, but it shows that these are real. See, for example, you can see an example in the fourth picture. They are not real. Okay, it is just created in computer. So these type of movies are called animated movies. Okay, move on to the fifth one. There are cameras in which you do not have to put any film. Pictures may be viewed instantly on a small inbuilt screen and deleted if not required. These pictures may then be transferred onto a computer or printer. These are called digital cameras. See, in olden days we used to use some cameras in which you have to put some films. Okay, so that only you can use that cameras, but nowadays we have digital cameras, so we no need to put any film in that, and you can take copy of that from that. Okay, children, so these from that using our computer by transferring the things from into the computer. Okay, so these type of cameras are called digital cameras. Now option B, put a tick in the box for the things that have already been made. Okay, you have to put things for the boxes which have already been invented. Okay, first one, a watch that can work properly 12,000 feet underwater. So these types of watches are already been found, so you can put tick in the first box. See the second one, a mobile phone on which people can watch TV programs. Yes, of course we can watch TV programs in our mobile phone, so you can put tick mark. See the third one, a camera connected to or built into your computer that makes it possible to see the person you are speaking to, though he or she may be far away. See, in the computer and all, nowadays we can make Skype calls, we can see the people who live far away, we can see and talk with them. So that and all we are using now. So you can put tick in the third one also. See the fourth one, a car that can drive itself, move without a driver. So these cars have some sensors in that, so we can run it with the use of robo cars also. Some robots also used to drive, and sensor cars also have been found. So without driver it can move. So you can put tick in the fourth one also. So let's finish off this session, children. So finish it off by using the pictures. I will be sending the pictures of these pages also. So finish it and send me, children. Let's meet you in the next session. Thank you.